Hello world and welcome to the Mazda Bongo conversion for, wait for it, drum roll, come on, under £100! Yay! Right, now I take zero credit for this whatsoever. My wife did this ingenious conversion on our Mazda Bongo. Now, I'm going to go through it step by step for you. As you can see, first thing we did was take out those back seats. We've got only one set of back seats there. There's another set that come behind. They're currently sitting in our dining room. Lovely, you know, for just whoever pops by. Now, you're going to need these 4 IKEA TV tables, and we're going to put the details in the video description below. Now, you put in your first IKEA table like this. Notice that the shelf, which would normally be halfway up, for that one, we've put it on the bottom, and we're going to show you why towards the end of the video. Then for this one, wow, what's this? We've put we've actually put the shelf as a kind of a back plate there, and that's going to create like this little cubby hole, this little space where we can put all our stuff by going through the door that slides, the side door of the Bongo. We can just put everything that we want to put in that little space there. And then we've got, now here, table 3. Wow, so easy. All you have to do is follow IKEA's instructions to the letter. Same with table 4. Yay, this is easy. Wow, this is not difficult. Anybody could do this. So there you have your 4 IKEA tables, and that's created like this nice flat surface that you can put your bedding on. We can put anything you want on there. But I'm going to show you what we've done, and this is going to be the basis of your conversion. Really simple. Now, this is varnished plywood. We got this from B&Q. Other DIY stores and stores where you can get plywood are available. We put these little Velcro strips. We glued these on here. You'll see in a minute why we've done this. Is basically to create a hinge for a little flap that goes up to create a splashback, so that when we're here's our splashback, there's the corresponding Velcro strips that we've created, and you see in a moment we have done an L hinge. An L hinge, wow, I didn't even know you had such things, but you know, my wife, she's the conversion genius. She says, look, we need L hinges here. We also rounded off these edges so that we could shut the door, otherwise we would mess up our Bongo. We don't want that. Here is the L hinge, and we have completely covered this in Velcro, and basically, as you see in a moment, we put this on here, and then that means we can lift up that little flap. It creates a splashback. It means that if we're, you know, by the side of the road having our soup, we can just lift this up and put all our stuff in front of it. We have some big heavy stuff that, you know, gas and water bottles and all this kind of stuff, and we can kind of push those against it. It basically creates a splashback. I'm sure you could use real hinges for these. We used those Velcro L hinges. We did this video a little bit quick, so we didn't actually line things up as flush as they normally would be, but that's okay. And then you've got everything. So everything on that shelf there is all our cooking stuff and everything. Wow, how easy is this? This is genius. I say my wife is just absolutely amazeballs when it comes to doing this conversion. What can I say? You know, I'm a lucky guy. So yeah, you have your cup of tea, your soup. You can have anything. We're not dictating here what people have at the side of the road. That's up to you. I judge no one for their choice of hot beverage or whatever it is they want to use this area for. But yeah, there's a lot of space here. We can put stuff in there. Easy. Okay, right. Now here is the flat surface on which we're going to kind of put all our bedding and stuff. As you can see, a lot of space there. Here's the first layer of bedding. This. Now I'm not sure what the technical description of these things are. What are these, mattress toppers, bed toppers, something like that? Really comfortable. You can find your own bedding. We're not bedding experts. Well, my wife is something of a bedding expert, but I'm not the person to speak to about bedding. But you know, go to wherever they sell bedding. you'll get it. This is double. This is I do know that these are for a double bed, and then this duvet is for a king size bed, and so this kind of makes it all nice and cozy. Wow, by the way, great design for the duvet cover there. Now here's our portable loo, and in the middle of the night this means that we don't have to slide open that door and pee in the forest or something. We just use that little portable toilet there. Absolutely genius. Now here is this. What we do is we fold back that bedding if we want to use the seats, because obviously we're not antisocial people. We have guests on the road sometimes, not hitchhikers. Come on guys, that's a bit dangerous. But look here, we've got this little space now where we can put we can put our little portable toilet in that little shelf, I should say, and this just kind of creates a kind of a convenient storage place whilst we're on the road. All we have to do then is slide back those chairs, put them up, and okay, all the beddings are back there, but we've got this beautiful space that, as you know, if you have a Mazda Bongo, this is a beautiful camper van that absolutely is just genius. Okay guys, that's it. All the best with your Mazda Bongo conversion. Take care.